is Hui. I couldn't dance when I was 1. I can dance now.
I am Jackie. I couldn't comb my hair by myself when I was 5. I can comb my hair by myself now.
I am Bonnie. I couldn't sing when I was 1. I can sing now.
I am Alex. I couldn't play tennis when I was 2. I can play tennis now.
I am Andy. I couldn't play computer games when I was 1. I can play computer games now.
I am Charlotte. I couldn't play the piano when I was 3. I can play the piano now. I'm Haley. I couldn't do my homework by myself when I was 2. I can do my homework by myself now.
I am Alan. I couldn't play football when I was 4. I can play football now.
I am Wing Wing. I couldn't swim when I was 6. I can swim now.
I am Melody. I couldn't climb the stairs by myself when I was a baby. I can climb the stairs by myself now.
I am Brian. I couldn't swim when I was 2. I can swim now.
I am Calvin. I couldn't play football when I was 4. I can play football now.
I am Ethan. I couldn't swim when I was 3. I can swim now. I am Howie. I couldn't play basketball when I was 2. I can play basketball now.
I am Curtis. I couldn't get dressed by myself when I was 1. I can get dressed by myself now.
I am Andy. I couldn't play the violin when I was 3. I can play the violin now.
I am Hugo. I couldn't play the piano when I was 3. I can play the piano now.
I am Jasmine. I couldn't swim when I was 2. I can swim now.
I am Morgan. I couldn't play basketball when I was 3. I can play basketball now.
I am Jackie. I couldn't play the piano when I was 4. I can play the piano now.
I am Oscar. I couldn't do up my buttons by myself when I was 3. I can do up my buttons by myself now.
I am Johnny. I couldn't tie my shoelaces by myself when I was 4. I can tie my shoelaces by myself now.
I am Hitomi. I couldn't play rugby when I was 3. I can play rugby now.
I am Venus. I couldn't do up my buttons by myself when I was 4. I can do up my buttons by myself now.
I am Yo-Yo. I couldn't comb my hair by myself when I was 4. I can comb my hair now.
I am Susanna. I couldn't pack my school bag by myself when I was 4. I can pack my school bag by myself now.
I am Terry. I couldn't climb the stairs by myself when I was 1. I can climb the stairs by myself now.
I am Fergus. I couldn't play baseball when I was 2. I can play baseball now. I am Eric. I couldn't swim when I was 2. I can swim now.
I am Eva. I couldn't comb my hair by myself when I was 2. I can comb my hair by myself now.
I am Emma. I couldn't cook by myself when I was 3. I can cook by myself now.